Back last weekend, roughly, I think it was February 4th, Nova Scotia had a winter storm warning, which included a rainfall and freezing rain warning. It had the potential to dump quite a bit of freezing rain on the province, and especially where I live. Eventually, after a day of freezing rain and ice pellets falling, I went out and took a closer look at the cars, and they had a pretty thick layer of ice on them. As most people were considering the potential state of the roads, school closures and power outages, I was thinking more along the lines of, how can I get to a waterfall and see the ice build up and get some videos and pictures of the cliffs and the trees with the ice all over them. Later on, me and the family went out to shovel the driveway, and we actually had to get out and pick the ice away with a shovel and some tools. So it was pretty apparent that I wasn't going to be going anywhere to a waterfall this day. On Sunday, eventually the rain stopped and the sun came out, and I had the opportunity to do a quick hike up behind Truro Victoria Park. There's some trails that you can kind of get to from a logging road off to the side. I decided to go up there and fly my drone to see if I could get some nice shots.
Hey, how's it going? Today is the first day I was able to get out following a pretty massive freezing rainstorm. Just to illustrate that point right now, I am walking on probably 2 feet of snow and my feet won't even break through. It makes for very easy walking in the snow. It's almost like walking on pavement, other than that sound that you hear of my feet squishing on the snow. So the plan for today is finally sunny. It's still early enough in the morning that I think the sun is going to catch the ice coming through a lot of these trees quite nicely. I want to get my drone up and see if I can get some nice shots of some ice coverage on a lot of the branches, and maybe just take a quick look down at the stream that's up here and see what effect the ice has had on everything.
Whew. So I just flew my drone. Hopefully the shots look nice. I can only fly for a few moments until I literally felt like my hands are getting frostbite. Whew. It was very difficult to get my gear packed up. So I'm gonna make it back to the car, and I'm gonna try to check out the falls of Victoria Park later today. See if there's any nice ice build-up, let it warm up, and I'm gonna get my first coffee for the morning. Whew. So as I was flying the drone, I felt that my hands were very cold. I just tried to make myself hold out for like another moment or so, and by the time I landed the drone and started packing up all my gear, I could barely feel my fingers. Still, I've been in the cold many years. I am a Canadian, and I didn't think too much of it until I was walking along and I grabbed my glove, my index finger, and it felt like there was a rock or something in my glove, and I started to get kind of worried that maybe I was getting frostbite or did get a frostbite or something. I pretty much thought that I wasn't going to get another chance to go out and capture any footage of the ice, because I was going to be at home taking care of some potential frostbite or doing some minor first aid. Luckily enough, I thawed out when I got home. I had a cup of coffee, and I was able to head back out to Victoria Park and hike up to the falls. Alright, so I just got back to the car, and as you saw, there wasn't a whole lot of significant ice buildup. I mean, the falls have ice, but they do every winter. One thing I can say, that the ice buildup on the ground, like the frozen snow, does make for a really nice walking surface. So if you're looking for a good day to get out and go for a nice hike or a walk or something, this is really nice. It's unique. It's almost like walking on pavement with a little bit of a crunch to it. You still gotta watch your footing here and there, but it's a good thing to take advantage of. So that's it for this one. Thanks for sticking along to the end. You can find me on facebook.com/New Scotland, and give this video a thumbs up on YouTube if you feel like making me smile. Anyway, see you guys later.